Here's 36, and I've zoomed in on it a little bit, and we'll slide the paper up so that you can see all the different nets that we have. It says, which of the following nets could not be folded along the dotted lines to form a cube? Now we have this guy here, and this will form a cube. I would take these three right here, and again, you can always cut these out and sort of imagine if you want practice. But what's going to happen is this end is going to flap up, that end's going to flap up, and that end's going to cover it, as this one folds over, and then this one ends up covering it. So F is going to work, and again, you're best to sometimes cut these out to play with them. That's what we try to do in class, so that you get a better sense of how it folds. Now I want to look at G. G very obviously is a definite going to fold into a cube, because when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you know that's going to fold together to make sort of the main body. Then all you need is a top and a bottom. Well, in this problem, here's your top that's simply going to fold over, and here's your bottom that's going to fold over. Remember I said that if you have 4, that's always going to form the base, main part around it, and then if you have 1 up top and 1 down below, that's going to cover your top and that's going to cover your bottom. You're always going to need that when you have 4. So let's look at this H one. Again, this guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, and a top that's going to cover it, and a bottom that's going to cover it when it comes together here. That top will fold down, this bottom one down here will fold on the bottom, and you have a cube. But look at J here. You can't create something here where they're all joined together. This alone looks very awkward from all these other guys that are joined just by a single dashed line. Notice it's all right here. That is not going to work. You cannot create where it's all going to fold here. Nothing's going to fold correctly. So 36, the answer is J. That will just not work. That's not a net of a cube.